When you're in first grade and the teacher asks you what you want to be, nobody says, I want to be in the roofing business. They want to be a fireman or an astronaut. But this is a great business. It affords you the opportunity to make a lot of money, to set your schedule, and to have freedoms that most people don't in their career paths.
The way we take care of our customers and the way we care about the people that we deal with, at the end of the day, that's really what brought me here.
I think the team is very outgoing, friendly, how it is a very family-oriented business.
When I came here, I had no roofing experience. I was provided with a lot of help here from Jay, Dominic. I rode with other project managers. There was a lot of people that helped me.
I originally came in as a temp and then I was hired full-time. So this summer I will be here 5 years.
I have never worked for a company where the customer service was such a high priority. Everybody is there to make sure that the customer's happy, because at the end of the day, that is what keeps our door open.
I never thought I was going to be working at a roofing company, so I think I just enjoyed the process of learning new things and learning as I go along, and I think the owner's been awesome to work with and the staff, and so I just enjoy the company, and it's given me a lot of freedom to do personal stuff.
As long as you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, you know, and the job gets done. Jay gives us a lot of flexibility on, you know, handling personal issues or anything we got to do outside of Excel.
This is a very dog-friendly office. We do have a couple of dogs that are in here most of the days. Oliver just tends to sleep most of the day. You can always find him on my desk, just knocked out on his little blanket. This office feels like more like a family. So everybody is kind of supporting of each other. It does not feel like, oh, I gotta go to work.
I've been recruited by other companies. I've been recruited by manufacturers. The amount of freedom that I have, I almost never have to miss one of my kids' games or school functions or something like that. I can schedule my own schedule, basically my own boss. It's just been a great, great career.